Hi, this is Lisa with Inspired to Thrive. Today, I wanted to share another great AI tool I started using called Gamma. I'm able to produce a lot of carousel slides for LinkedIn, Instagram, right from a blog post. It's very simple. You can even create PDF files, all kinds of things. So let's go and see what Gamma looks like. So this is Gamma, if you can see. And I'm going to create a new, let's see, imported file from a URL. So you can do it from a Drive, from a PowerPoint, a PDF, Google Docs, or Slides. I like doing the URL, and I've had an updated post today on the blog about Chat GPT. Got to say that slow. From Ann Smotty. She updated a post for me, and so I want to see what we can do to promote that. And as you'll see, it won't take long. We're going to say we want to make this into social. And we may change it back later to presentation so you can see some variations. I always take out the extra little content there from the blog. It's got the toggle. We don't need that. Everything else that's in the blog, I keep. And at the end, we get the latest posts and all that stuff we're going to get rid of. And let's see. Okay, we're going to get rid of just the very bottom part and just keep that content in. And even that, I'm going to get rid of that. Hit continue. And I've already put in, let's see, custom. I have an Inspired to Thrive theme, as you will see. And then we're going to say generate. And we're going to see how this looks. So it takes in the colors of my logo, the orange color that you will see there. And you can see it's already working. It's almost done already. Here we go. It's starting to do up various slides. Now these slides can go right to LinkedIn. They're the perfect size for LinkedIn. I also save them and resize them in Canva for Instagram. Sometimes I won't use all of them. Sometimes I'll use, chosen few. You can pick and choose what you want to do with these slides. And when it finishes, it usually adds in some graphics that are relative to the content, as you will see. And if you don't want to always use your color, that's easy to change and click. And it looks like we're on slide 5, maybe going to 5, 6 here. It's just amazing how quick this can do it. So now it says, do you like what we created? And I want to see if they have any, they kind of use just the graphics that were in here. I'm gonna see if I can ask it how satisfied. I'm gonna put okay. Wish they added graphics. And let's see if we create something else. Do the same thing again. And we're gonna do it just a little different this time, I think. Import. We're gonna try it without doing it as my brand on this particular one, just to see what else they'll pump out there. Continue. I could have gone in actually to each one and done it as well, but I'm going to try this just to show you the variations. Since I'm demonstrating what you can and cannot do with the tool, we're going to get rid of that, and that, and that, and that. Okay, now we hit continue, and we're going to go to, let's see, professional, light. Maybe this has got more of an orange just to keep it somewhat and hit generate. Let's see what happens to this one if there's any graphics. That's what I'm curious on. As I'm going through to show you, a lot of the ones I've done in the past few weeks have come up with the graphics for them. So I want to see what happens here. And you'll be able to see what happens when you do them different ways. Now, usually, yeah, there's the graphics. See, that's what I like. I like this format a little bit better because it'll work with the social shares. Also gonna try this. I haven't tried it yet on Facebook. I think some carousels do well on Facebook, I've found, for different types of businesses. So this is something I may try as well with this particular article. Wish I had timed it. It's less than like 2 minutes here. And it's got just about everything except this one here. It's not showing. Let's see. Okay. Now, sometimes they leave stuff like this, and you could ask it to, let's see, is there a way, edit with AI, put in image of chat. T. Let's see if it can do that for us. Working on it. Taking almost as long as it took to do the whole 8 pages. There it is. I like that. I really like this one. So this is really cool. So all you have to do is you hit share and embed. I do the export and as pings. You could actually put it right to LinkedIn. I wasn't crazy the way that worked though. See where it says report. Let's see. Here we go. This is untitled. We'll put updating content slides. Save it on my desktop so I'll know. You can make it a PDF, a PowerPoint. You could embed it somewhere, publish to a site. Although it doesn't really work well with your own site. I want to say it changes the SEO and I did not want to do that. So you could go ahead and put something here. Let me go back to the original story, and I usually just take the first couple. Let's just see to show you how this can work, how you could do it if you want. Ian, updated post from Ian Smutty. See if I can tag her. Spider Drive. Post to LinkedIn. Watch and see what happens here. I wonder if it's going to actually show us. I did it once and I'm going to find out. Going, going, going. Now, if you like the way this come out, this is a huge time saver. Click here to view your post on LinkedIn. This post can not be displayed. Why? Let's see. View profile. Let's see if it shows. I didn't post it to a page. It should be on here. Let's see if it's showing. Right here it is. Ah, perfect. It only took the first sentence, which is fine, because then it goes into, yep, it's actually showing slides. So this is really nice. And then, of course, in the comments, I could put it to the blog article right there, because everyone on LinkedIn seems to be doing that these days. Read the full article on Inspire to Thrive and so it did not take the actual text that I had put in there. I don't know if you noticed that. And Smarty. Okay, comment. So it's in the comment there. So this is how easy it is to create these slides. Months ago, before I started using Gamma app, literally would take me an hour or more using Canva to create different slides. I know Canva has some AI in it too, but this tool here is just fabulous. I love how easy it is to use. So we're going to go back into the dashboard here in Gamma. Let's see, why isn't it going back? Here we are, Gamma app. Saves everything that you do as well. You'll see recently viewed, created by you. You can put things in favorites. As you can see, I've done quite a few here. And I love how they save it too, because you can always go back. You don't have to save everything on your desktop and make different things. So let's see. Create new again. Let's just show you another URL because I love doing them from URLs. If you want to make a PDF out of it. Whoops. Oh, you have to upload a PDF. Let's do it this way. Whoops. Nope, it'd be the same thing. Let me go back. Why do the whole thing over again, right? Let's go back to this one and see if it gives us the option. Yes, share it. So if you want to share it as something else, just wait for it to pop up. Share. So you can make this into a PDF. As you see, it's exporting the PDF. Here it is, desktop. 6 powerful ways. Let me grab that quickly. 6 powerful ways. Here we are. Oh, I gotta stop the share and I gotta reshare my screen to show you the PDF. I think this is it right here. Yep. You can see it actually shows you a logo at the top of the PDF, and I think it does for each page. Yep, each page of the PDF can have it set up with your logo when you set up your brand. And this is the one I did from the brand. So it's a wonderful PDF that you can also use on your website. You can use it as a giveaway. You can use it in email. There's so many ways you know, upload it to your site. A lot of things that you can do there. So that's Gamma app. It's GAMMA app. Fabulous tool. I did get the premium for $180 a year. It was a special deal. Let me go quickly. Let's see. I want to share my screen and see if I can get the pricing quickly for you on there. You can start for free like I had. You can use the Pro, you can use the Plus, and just waiting for these pricings to pop in. The yearly plan is what I did. Pay yearly was $180 for the Pro. Plus is $96, and of course you can try it for free. I always recommend trying for free first. I hope you liked this presentation of Gamma app and how it can save you time creating content for your blog or business. Have a great day. And don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.